Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, and we have a special guest here. His name is Kona. He walked in right as I was closing the door, so he is doomed to be on the live stream with us. Oh, now he wants out. How is everyone doing? We have a very, very big week this week. As you can clearly see here, BioProtocol is continuing to make is continuing to make move after move. They are looking for the next cohorts of BioDAOs to launch right now. So far, they have, I believe, 7 that are live and 3 that are on their way. They're already looking for the next ones to come join. On top of that, we're seeing BioProtocol in a space right now as they announce the bridge to Solana. Things are moving ahead further and further, faster and faster. It is the biggest week by far. We're going to go through a broad understanding of what's going on in the DeSci market, including 4 new raises that are happening right now. 1 just closed. 3 are still underway. Then we're going to talk about some of the updates from some of these BioDAOs, including even some of the ones that aren't in the BioProtocol ecosystem. Then, if you guys wait around till the end, I have something pretty exciting to share with you about Bill the DeSci guy. Hopefully you guys are ready. Okay, the cat just walked out. Now I can go close the door so I'm not echoing through the entire house. I'll be right back. The cat is not an AI agent. Oh, baby, this is a good one. Good morning, DeSci Billions over there on X. Good morning, Dawn, Camille, Truth, Sapthuna, MK, Stare. You deleted the message. What the hell, man? Martin's even here. Let's go. Remy's in here. Martin's here as well. Zaj is here. Beagle's here. Good morning, FX Snowy. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Spec Truth, how you doing? Heart DAO is going well. Bullish. Yes, Kona. Patrick has always been a sucker for gingers. Oh, come on, man. Just because Bird was orange hair as well doesn't mean anything. Feeling leaky today? You guys have no idea. I got some very, very exciting DM this morning, and I am very excited to not announce it, but tell you about it and address it a little bit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Bill the DeSci guy is in the X chat right now. GM Patrick. When will I debut my first live stream? Oh my God, wait a minute. Snip. I gotta take a screenshot of that. That's crazy. I'm telling you, wait until the end of the live stream. I have some pretty exciting things to share with you guys. I can't share everything, but it's learning. It is in fact learning. Get a screen. There we go. I just showed you guys all of my stuff. H4CK is doing very well, actually. I did not check on it today, but I know for a fact it's doing really well. But let's look at everything else a little bit later. Up 22% today. Bullish. 22 million. It is looking like it's trying to break out here. All right. BioProtocol. New cohorts coming, which means new BioProtocol ecosystem plays, which also means more money flowing in decentralized science. The total market cap is going to continue to grow. Right now, sitting just under $3 billion. You guys remember like 2 months ago when this was a $400 million market cap? The whole industry has absolutely exploded over the last 2 or 3 months. That is bullish. That is very bullish. BioProtocol leading the charge, obviously, which kind of gets us into something that I want to tell you guys and keep you guys up to date with. The BioProtocol ecosystem of DAOs, I'm talking Hair DAO, Valley DAO, Cerebrum DAO, Athena DAO, Cryo DAO, all of them, Hair DAO, whatever. Sci DAO, that was the one I didn't mention. They all operate as independent companies underneath an umbrella of like Y Combinator investments. So BioProtocol invests in all of them. It's not that they all have to obey BioProtocol, but they are all in the same family. Now, each one of those people who have been part of those BioDAOs in their little ecosystem there have come together to create Erectus DAO. And you can actually see Amanda and I here in one of the announcement posts. But I want to show you guys who exactly is involved with this, because it's actually pretty mind-numbing to see. all of the different people that are contributing in here. Here's the photo. So Erectus DAO is conducting a raise right now. They opened up another round because they'd closed some out last year, but they didn't hit their target goal. They're opening up another raise round here at 25% higher than what it was before. However, if you look at the team here, we have someone from Vitalism. We have someone from Valley DAO, Albert here from Valley DAO. We have Lawrence here from Vita DAO. We have Nathan here from the Longevity Fellowship. We have Todd from Vita DAO. We have Andrew from Hair DAO. We have Max from Vita DAO. And then there's 3 more people that they hadn't announced when that screenshot came out. But if you keep going down the rabbit hole, you'll find that it's Laura from Athena DAO. You'll find out that it is both of these 2 men here, Kai and Austin from Cryo DAO, and thus from Hydra DAO as well. And then I don't know that they ever posted the announcement of who the OG was. Well, we got Ryan here. We have Lutz, who was previously the R&D managing director for Molecule, Molecule being the sister company of BioDAO, or of BioProtocol. And then, did they ever make that post for the OG, who the OG was? I don't know that they ever made that post, so I won't say who it is, but the BioProtocol ecosystem of contributors for all of the DAOs have come together to make Erectus DAO. And so I am wildly bullish on it. Amanda and I are working together to kind of help with some of their marketing efforts here, to help with the social presence of what's going on. And so I'm probably going to be putting together a big thread on who is actually involved here and then posting it either today or tomorrow so that everyone can stay up to date. But Erectus DAO, huge raise coming up. Another raise everyone was talking about. Everyone was talking about it in the Discord last night. Is Aleta Biosciences. So Aleta means to make someone happy, to make someone very happy. So you can see that they're focused on antidepressant type drugs, right? They're focused on neuropsychiatry. They, I believe, just ended their pre-sale, or maybe it's the waitlist for a public pre-sale is live. Join and wait, 50% token at discount. But they, I believe, just ended it, or they're about to end it. I don't actually remember off the top of my head. But this one, if you look in the bio of the founder, wait, no, hold on. It was right here over in the Telegram. So in Telegram, I saw this come through just here today. We have Hamsum tell us that Andreas, who is the founder of Aleta Bio, is also involved in the BioProtocol ecosystem. So yet another connection point to BioProtocol. Now, what am I getting at when I tell you guys about these connections? In crypto, especially at this point in the cycle, it is more about narrative than it is about anything else. Okay? That's not going to last forever. In fact, it will end this year in 2025 at some point when the 4-year cycle comes to an end and when we see the United States go into a recession. I am a firm believer that that's going to happen. However, I'm still playing in the musical chair circle until the last chair gets taken out, right? Maybe it never does. Who knows? Right now, we're at the point in the cycle in which narrative drives everything. And so the narrative of being somehow related to bio makes it that much juicier for people. It really does. It really does. We even just saw Hydra, which is related to Cryo, right? It's Cryo. People came together and made Hydra. They just finished raising their $4 million in funding. So I think they just closed it for the Hydra token. C90 just gifted one of that investor memberships. Welcome, Biggie Johnny. Happy to have you in here. Thank you, C90. W in the chat for C90 for gifting that membership. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta be better at being in the Discord. I know. There's too many chats to be in at any one moment, though. It's virtually impossible to be in everything. Everyone already members here. I can't go 5. W for that. Put another W in the chat for that. Everyone is already a member. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Now I should probably start doing something for members, but that's okay. I just do everything for everyone, and if you want to pay attention and learn and listen, then you show up to the live streams Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We talk about decentralized science and give you guys updates on some of the new raises that are going on. They closed out the Hydra raise, but I just want you guys to pay attention, keep an eye on this this one as well. I think it'll do fairly well. The fourth and final raise to talk about here is Zaya AI. Now, I don't think they've announced, I could be wrong, but I don't think they've announced the actual raise initiating yet. What they did announce is Zaya secures a $20 million investment commitment from Rollman Management Digital. I don't know what Rollman Management Digital is, but let's go take a look for a moment because $20 million is a pretty big investment to receive. They are a trailblazer in artificial intelligence solution for healthcare, proudly announced their appointment of Kimberly Goussaud as to its board of directors with decades of experience in healthcare and innovation. Okay, well, I'm trying to see what the 20 million is. Well, I guess I should read. Zaya AI is a digital pathology company dedicated to improving disease diagnosis through the integration of AI and machine learning by combining the expertise of pathologists with the power of AI. Zaya AI aims to make diagnostic processes faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Bullish. That's going to do wonders for the medical industry because a lot of diagnoses go undiagnosed, to be completely honest. They see the x-ray and they just miss little things that they would have noticed. They see the MRI and there's a lot of room for interpretation on this. AI is going to have a much easier job doing it than a human will, by far. About Rollman Management Digital, thank you. Rollman Management Digital is a private investment and management consult boutique that is incorporated in the BVI. The firm seeks to invest in talented teams and their blockchain protocols to further develop their technology and business while aiding significant value to the future of the modern economy. RMD is led by Victor R. C.H. Rollman, the founder of Rollman Capital, Rollman Mining, and Rollman Management. The group has offered a wide range of investments. Okay, so it's just a VC, but they've invested $20 million into this. And as you guys remember on Friday's live stream, Josh came on and said that they were going to be doing a pre-sale for this very soon. So I wanted to include it in the 4 pre-sales here that are going on for DeSci projects. And I'm sure there are more. There are new DeSci projects popping up every single day. At least that's what it feels like. And it is quite literally impossible for any one person to keep an eye on all of the things happening in decentralized science. Even us, together, as a community, struggle to pay attention to every single thing that happens. And if you happen to be asleep, like last night when the Discord was talking about getting into a pre-sale, you happen to be asleep, you miss out on different opportunities, which is why it is so critical that Bill exists in the market. He is the driving force that is going to be bringing together all of the information that's happening in the DeSci space and making it digestible for average, everyday people to understand. Even when I'm talking about stuff like HairDAO's announcement that they just made. They're going to do the first on-chain telehealth service, which is arriving in 2 weeks. So HairDAO, if you don't know, they have 4 or 5, maybe even 6 at this point, different patents. HairDAO patent number 6. Are you guys going to go read the patent files and understand what each one of these is for? I'm not. I'm just going to be honest. I'm not going to do that. Not right now, at least. I have too many things going on my plate. I cannot read through all of this stuff. While Bill is not able to yet either, that's what we're working towards, is to be able to distill this information down to everyone. So if you hold HairDAO tokens, you can just get a little summary of what they've been doing every week, every day. It depends what we're able to build. It depends on how much compute power we give Bill. Stay tuned to the end of the live stream. We'll talk a little bit more about some exciting information about Bill. Now, this is HairDAO is just one of the DeSci projects that has been making crazy moves lately. If we go through just the DeSci category on CoinGecko, we see 51 results for DeSci projects right now. That is not all of them, but even just with those 51, let's see if we can get the 3 billion. Come on. Yeah! I need another snip. I'll be posting this one. Let me go ahead and scoop. I'm actually going to do a new one. I want the volume in there too. The volume being almost $1 billion is actually insanity. $3 billion market cap with almost $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume is nuts. What's today's date? 1.6.25 DeSci. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts what's happening to the industry right now. And you can go through and see like each one of these projects. Let's sort it by biggest movers on the day. Swarms I just found. Like I just noticed Swarms today. So they must have just got it added into the DeSci category to ride off some of the hype. But each one of these projects is making crazy announcements on the regular. I haven't kept up to date with HPO in a minute. So let's go look at Hippocrat. Let's see if they've made any crazy announcements recently. I'm sure they have, honestly. Oh, look at 11 hours ago, they were selected for the Solana Foundation grant. So now Hippocrat's going to be apparently merging over to Solana. That is huge news. That's massive liquidity coming in. I don't know if they'll actually merge to it, right? But if they're getting the Solana Foundation grant, that means they're probably merging over there. It's impossible. Like, if I wouldn't have known this if they didn't make crazy gains today and on live decide to go look at it. So we need to have this aggregate of information. All right, let's see what you guys are talking about right now. If you guys are coming into the live stream, please hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate that. You excited for Research Coin? Without a doubt. Noble in a week and a half? Yes. Very exciting, DeSci Billions. Very exciting. Dynex X Bill? That's interesting. That's an interesting comment to make there. Babar. Oh man, not financial advice, LOL. Of course, never financial advice. Never. I can't give you personalized financial advice. I'm not certified. I can give you general financial advice, but not personal. What do you think about Marie? I think that Marie is a competitor to Bill, but also at the same time a teammate to Bill. I view Marie as more of a teammate to Bill than anything else. Okay, all right. All right, X. Thanks for that great SEO, X. Marie's more of a teammate to Bill, another DeSci-focused AI agent launched on Creator Bid. So the more eyes we get, it's like getting more KOLs involved in something, right? So if we get 20, 30, 50, 100 AI agents all focused on decentralized science, what is that going to do but pump our bags? That's just going to bring more attention, more use cases, more development in the space of decentralized science. I'm bullish on it. Can't wait for Diamond access to Bill. Yes, Martin, I'm sorry. As soon as this live stream ends, I will go through my DMs and invite everyone who has screenshotted their tokens that are locked in the Diamond member portal and sent it to me. So all you have to do, click on the membership button here, choose however many tokens you want to lock, take a screenshot of it after you've locked it, and then send it to me. And I will send you a link on Telegram to the Diamond Members Club. I'm still waiting on the automated process for that, so I don't have to go through 8 million DMs. But as soon as this live stream is over, I promise I will do it. Sleeping last night, not in the Discord. I know, right? I woke up, looked at the Discord, researched Aleda, and grabbed after midnight. Maria and Bill have great entry points. Bullish. NFT DeSci season coming soon. That would be lit, Ping. Ping. If you have information on it, keep me posted. I want some DeSci NFTs. It's getting to that point in the cycle where we get so bubbly that the pictures of the rocks with laser eyes start selling for $200,000 again. Let me know, put a 1 in the chat if you remember that. The most clear as day top signal that I'd ever seen in my life. Last cycle, when a picture of a rock with laser eyes sold for 6 figures. On X, Marie AI reposts spaces and comments. Doesn't that mean it's human and not AI reposting? Not necessarily. If they included extra capabilities, like AI can repost stuff constantly. It absolutely can. It just takes a little bit of extra work from Creator Bid. You have to get custom features. So. Babe, Bill just posted on X. Bullish. I know I made that comment the other day though, C90. So I understand what you're saying. I said it a little bit prematurely. It's just, it doesn't, like, it takes a little bit extra work, but it happens. How many needed to join Diamond? Just 1. As many as you want to lock up is fine with me. Obviously, the more the better, because it adds to this, the 54% of tokens locked up in the membership portal. So it adds to this, makes the supply more scarce, so it's more volatile. But the more that gets locked up, the better. Now it's Hawk 2 instead of rocks. Rip. Rip. When are we getting massive KOL movement promoting Bill? When it's ready. when it's time to do it. Bill's not at a point right now in which I'm comfortable doing it. However, again, if you wait until the end of the live stream, I'll talk to you guys a little bit about it. There's something exciting that just started brewing. Not started brewing, but something exciting. Oh, okay. Now, we've gone over the pre-sales that I wanted to go over with it. We've talked about some of the volume that's coming into DeSci. I still am holding strong that I believe this will be a 200 billion by the end of the cycle if we see the golden cycle for crypto, right? Bitcoin up at $102,000 per coin. I think that's beautiful. I think we're making a move up to this circle here around 120. Then I wouldn't be surprised if we calm down. If we hit $160,000 in Q1, okay, so by the end of March, let me see, I'll draw a circle. In my opinion, if we see this circle get filled, there's a very strong case to be made that the cycle's over. Dun dun dun, dun 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 dun. No, we'll see what happens, but yeah. I would like to just remain cautiously optimistic with this. We are in the final year, okay? So if you're just building out positions, by definition, you're late. You're in the final year now, 2025. I do not think we'll go into 2026 with this. We will see. Hopefully I'm wrong, but we need some time to cool off for Bitcoin. Simultaneously, what we need to see is Bitcoin dominance start to fall more. Now it is falling. However, it's getting a rebound here. It's trying hard to hold up, right? Bitcoin is trying to maintain the dominant force in the industry. I think it's simply a matter of time before these circles start getting filled. We almost filled it here, almost. I want to see us by the end of March down here. I want to see us down at 54% dominance by the end of March. And if that takes place and Bitcoin can hold steady here, up above 100,000, we'll see some crazy rallies within crypto, specifically DeSci. We will see, specifically AI agents too, honestly everything. But AI agents seems to be the narrative that's going to be the winner for this cycle. So by merging DeSci and AI agents, we can see the synergy that is needed. There was something else I was going to talk about though. Something more specific than just these two things. And my brain just got scattered away from it. That's all right. It'll come back to me. I am certain it will come back, but damn it. Oh well, we'll keep going and start talking about Ethereum, because Ethereum, everyone is waiting patiently for it to break all-time highs, which is still quite a bit away from breaking all-time highs. If you got 33% left, if we can get Ethereum to break all-time highs here in Q1 of 2025, that is going to be very bullish for everything in DeSci. Everything, all altcoins on top of Ethereum are going to rip like crazy once Ethereum can definitively break above its all-time high from last cycle. Same with Solana. All the liquidity that we've seen within Solana, we've had a very long-scaled cool-off period. If we even look at it like this, from December of 2023 until now, January 2025, Solana is only up 75%. Now that is crazy, but it is also over a year. 75% gains in a year is really good, but it's nothing compared to this rip that we saw. This one was crazier. And everyone, I think, is hoping that Solana gets another one of those rips, as we've spent a good time chilling and cooling off. Now we broke above all the moving averages. We came down and tested them. It's time to see it put in some definitive moves, hopefully up to 1,000. We'll see, but that will also make all of the Solana coins rip, which is why Bio is taking advantage of that liquidity injection that should be coming from Solana by bridging over to Solana. We're also seeing Athena DAO bridge over to Solana, and I just remembered what it was I was going to show you guys that had left my mind moments ago. But Athena DAO is supposed to be bridging over to Solana as well pretty soon, or at least some of their tokens. I remember seeing it the other day, but it's okay. What I want to share with you guys here right now, here today, is pretty cool, pretty scary, and kind of novel. Very novel, actually. Very novel. So WellShare Health, as you guys are fully aware, They're focused in on diabetes right now. They actually just announced a couple weeks ago that they were going to spin out their diabetes focused DAO, because WellShare is not a DAO. It is a way to mobilize and get compensated for data that you share with them. And I just received my continuous glucose monitoring device, which today I will be stapling into the back of my tricep to monitor my glucose levels and contribute to the WellShare mission. I am going to be helping with their closed beta round for continuous glucose monitoring device, which if you see on the box, it's from Abbott, which is the #2 medtech device producer in the world. So WellShare got the contract with Abbott to be able to spin these out. I'm going to be contributing through their app and farming some of my sherries, which is their little digital token associated with providing the data. So I'm very excited for this. Now, I don't have diabetes, but there have been times in my life in which I've been concerned that I do have undiagnosed diabetes. So this will be really cool for me on a personal level to put that to bed, because now I'll actually get to see over the course of this month what happens to my glucose levels when I eat. And if I do in fact have like any kind of problems related to that. I hope I don't. I don't really think I do. I think I'm just a little bit of a hypochondriac, but I'm actually very excited for this. Plus, just on another personal level, like I have my degree in nutrition, so it's going to be really, really cool to get to see the direct implications of what happens when I eat different foods. So I'm going to be going through different, what's the name of that threshold for how impactful sugar is on the body? What is it? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like how quickly sugar digests. Sugar digestion. What do I even search for this? Glucose, insulin level, sugar digestion, threshold? No. Chart. Graph. Glycemic index. Oh my God. Okay. The glycemic index. I'm going to be playing around with different foods from different levels of the glycemic index, which is how it digests down to sugar in your body, right? Like if you just take a tablespoon of honey, that's going to digest very quickly into sugar because it is just sugar, versus if you eat like a piece of broccoli, fundamentally the broccoli is sugar, but it's going to break down way slower because of how much fiber is in it. So it's going to be really cool to experiment with that, right? We'll see. It's going to be fun. And there goes the degree. No. I lost my degree on live. Was this in association with Well? Yes, Dawn. Does this make you an AI daddy? I think technically, yeah. Sharing since you've helped so much. NFT, DeSci World microbes, just 5x and still going up. Damn it. Thank you, Ping T. Missed out on a 5x. No. DeSci World. You know what's funny is DeSci World, the Joshua behind DeSci World, I've wanted to get involved with him on so much, but he's 13 hours ahead of me, and so we can never actually coordinate a time in which both of us are available to talk, and so it's super annoying. But congrats to DeSci World, sold out microbes. Actually, I'm going to put this aside because you guys are going to try and front run me, although it's probably too late. 0.088 ETH. I'm going to look into these a little bit more before I just ape into one of them. There's you know what? Whatever. I don't actually care if you guys front run me on stuff. Floor 0.088 ETH. Supply 999. Make an offer on OpenSea. I want to see what these actually are before I just start aping into some of them, but I'm probably at the point in which it's time to start aping into some NFTs. So if they got DeSci NFTs, I'll be doing that. Another thing I might buy is some genome cats. Even though they abandoned the project, low-key might be worth ripping some ETH into. Does that make Dynex becomes the Illuminati? You guys want to talk about some quantum stuff? And that's what my brain was doing all morning this morning, was focused on quantum computing stuff. Illuminati, WEF, what have I missed? Oh, you guys didn't know, did you? You guys didn't know. I'm going to duplicate this. That's on a personal... I've been playing around with different social media, decentralized social media stuff, and yeah. These two are the two projects I've been seeing a lot of information on, Fantasy and Kaieto, as far as decentralized social media things. Now, it's not really decentralized social media, but it is kind of gamified social media. And so they're partnering together, which is kind of cool. Totally different from what we're talking about right now, though. So I don't want to distract us too much from the mission here. You know what's funny is that I'm talking as if I took Adderall today. I haven't taken any kind of stimulant in well over a month. It's literally just been the magnesium and zinc I take at night, which has made me feel like I'm on a stimulant 24/7. It is beautiful. I'm on Fantasy Top. Have you joined? I joined. I didn't really do anything with it, but I did join. I think I bought one card deck. Sarah 3 Oshi. We'll connect on Fantasy Top. What was it that I was gonna go do? Maybe my ADHD is back. Sorry. All right, slow down. Slow down. You've been with it since it launched. That's crazy. The WEF. Okay. Dynex. Dynex announced a little while ago that they were going to be attending the World Economic Forum here this month. I'm just searching for it right now. Let's just go to the World Economic Forum. What brands are you taking for Mag and Zinc? Just the generic ones. It doesn't really matter too much. As long as they haven't gotten in a lawsuit for messing with their formula, it's probably fine. Once they get in a lawsuit, you don't want to be taking it, but consult with your general practitioner before starting any kind of medications. Don't just listen to what I'm saying. Where is Dynex? They said they were going. Program. All right, let's go back to Dynex. No, I definitely know it wasn't that long ago. Maybe it was the top one. There it is. Thank you, C90. Thank you. Okay, so Dynex at the WEF 2025. So Dynex is going to be going to the World Economic Forum, the annual meeting for 2025 this month. So talk about being interconnected with the global elites. Dynex. Now, this is not as exclusive as I think most people think it is, but it's still a really cool thing to see coming from what I hope becomes my number one holding in the entire crypto market, Dynex. It's cool just to see that they're actually gonna be going there, likely to talk about quantum security and quantum safety. Because as you know, Dynex has one of, if not the only, quantum computing ethics committee. All of the companies that are doing quantum computing are just do it all. Let's do anything. Dynex is no. This is very, very dangerous if it gets in the wrong hands. So we're gonna implement the ethics committee and say what can and can't be used. For example, they will not allow anyone to test the network in hacking Bitcoin, right? They are very hesitant and probably won't even let anyone use their nodes to mine Bitcoin because they're not trying to break the world. They're just trying to help the world. So this is a very important thing, and I hope that Dynex is going there to talk about ethics. Even if they're not, though, it's pretty cool to see them get representation at the World Economic Forum event happening this month. How many other projects out there do you know of that are doing that? especially when you take into consideration the fact that Dynex is chilling at a $24 million market cap. How many $24 million market cap cryptos out there have representation at the World Economic Forum? Not many. Which chain is Dynex on? It's its own chain. It has wrapped Dynex on Ethereum, 0x DNX, in which you can purchase and take part in the token incentive program that they have. If we go over back to Dynex here, scroll to the top of the page, click on Dynex Linktree. I haven't actually looked at their job completion, but they're their own L1 for quantum computing. They did 84,000 jobs last month, which was another record month, following the 70,000 from November, which was a record, following the 21,000 from October, which was a little bit short of the previous record of 25,000 in September. So August, they hit 10,000 jobs for the first time. And in January, it looks like they're going to be hitting 100,000 jobs. So they've 10x the number of jobs since August. I mean, we're only 6 days in, so not even a week yet, and they're already nearing 30,000 jobs. Where is Yeti? I know. No, Yeti can't be in here right now because he's going to leak the news that I want to address. If Bitcoin breaks, it deserves it. That's kind of silly to protect it until some other entity does it. I don't think you understand the implication of what you just said, because what they would do, what Dynex could potentially do here, okay? Someone could come into the network, the quantum computing network that is Dynex, which is orders of magnitude more powerful than anything else on the planet. They could come in, take the network, try and utilize the whole network to go hack Satoshi's wallet. What happens if they successfully break into Satoshi's wallet and move the 1 million Bitcoin that exist in Satoshi's wallet? If any of the Bitcoin or any signs happen that indicate Satoshi's wallet has been touched, which owns 1 million Bitcoin, Bitcoin goes down 90+% in an instant. There are a litany of algorithms right now that are watching for this event because one day it will likely happen. There's a very high degree of certainty that Satoshi's wallet will one day get hacked. And that, if that were to happen, Bitcoin goes down in value quicker than we've ever seen. It'll be the biggest rug pull the world has ever seen. And it would happen in an instant. Dynex does not want that responsibility. It would destroy crypto. It would decimate crypto. We would recover. Crypto would recover because fundamentally all you have to do is update the wallets everyone has to be quantum resistant. It's not a big update to do. You just have to go into everyone's wallet and update it, and they have to sign off on the upgrade and transfer to a more secure encryption model for the wallets. It's possible, and it is going to have to happen. It has to happen. Otherwise, Satoshi's wallet will get hacked one day. But who's going to upgrade Satoshi's wallet? I don't know. I don't have to know, but it is a risk that's on the table. Dynex doesn't want that type of press covering them. They think it would be a net negative for the industry. So they don't want to go hacking other chains or even go mining other chains because it's just value abstraction from those chains to go support Dynex. Now, everyone can have their own thoughts on it, and that's why they have the committee. Maybe one day it'll change, but from my understanding, for the time being, they don't want that kind of press. What are these Dynex jobs? These Dynex jobs, good question. Thank you for the question, actually, because this is good to explain. The Dynex jobs are, right now, it's almost entirely subscription jobs. And so it's the different partners that they've made with different organizations around the world who use Dynex's quantum computing network. So it's quantum as a service, which they're going to be getting on AWS here, I believe, this month. So you'll be able to go, any company around the world will be able to go onto AWS and utilize Dynex's quantum as a service. When they do that, every time they query the network, it counts as a job. Every time they query the network, it costs, I believe, 0.1 Dynex or 0.01 Dynex. And that goes into the Dynex holder incentive program. So everyone who is staking their Dynex gets a little bit of reoccurring revenue from all of the jobs that they do. So as more people use quantum as a service from Dynex, as more people query the network and ask for jobs to be completed on the network, it is aiding in the number of Dynex tokens that are pulled, right, as a fee and distributed to the people who are staking. It's a pretty cool network mechanism here. Let me see if I can pull up the DHIP. This might not be it. This is probably just the same website, yeah. DHIP reward program. There's a reason why I want this to be my biggest bag in the crypto market. So a part of the recently updated economic model for Dynex, Dynex has introduced a comprehensive overhaul of its DHIP program, designed to enhance coin stability and incentivize long-term holding. Following the launch of Dynex Quantum nodes, a transformative step that utilizes collateralization to reduce circulating supply of Dynex, DHIP2 emerges as a pivotal mechanism to further motivate Dynex holders to participate actively in the ecosystem while earning substantial rewards. This article delves into the program's components, its strategic value in the Dynex ecosystem, and yada yada yada. More words, more words. So they have the 50 million strategic buyback or strategic VC round in which they'll be taking $10 million to do buybacks, which currently represents just under half of the token supply if they were to unload all of it right now. But it's based off the number of jobs. So as jobs grow, the amount of money they funnel back into the token is going to grow, and the amount of money coming from the jobs grows. Makes sense? But yeah, hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Hopefully I explained it in a way that is comprehensive. My Dynex isn't wrapped, so can't stake mine yet. Yeah, I know. Half my bag is not wrapped, half my bag is wrapped. But I was using Biconomy to buy my Dynex, my non-wrapped Dynex, and I ran into a problem that there weren't any more tokens for sale on Biconomy, so I couldn't buy any more Dynex. I had to take that off of it and go into the wrapped tokens and start accumulating more and more wrapped tokens. So I think I'm earning a good amount of Dynex per day right now, actually. Isn't ICP also doing something similar? ICP has their 8-year gang, yeah. You can lock up your ICP. There is no cooldown period for Dynex, though. ICP, you can get involved in the staking and then hold on to it, and you're locked in, but you earn ICP, and you can vote on stuff with ICP. It acts like a giant DAO. It's pretty cool, actually. Let me see if we have the... No, okay. They had announced how much of each job went towards the DHIP. But like this is example of one of the companies that is coming on to use Dynex's quantum computing to do different tasks, right? Incor, which is a med tech company, right? So they're using Dynex, which is really cool. Bear with me. They're also now just announced something with Dynasty Global to bring Dynex's quantum as a service technology to motorsports. AWS marketplace listing. We are on track to submit the container by December 2024. So they should have submitted their container to get on AWS already. They're doing a SEX listing soon. The buyback program is underway. The quantum nodes, which they're going to be announcing something pretty interesting with the benchmark they did against the Willow chip soon. But I had to pinky promise Yeti I wouldn't talk about it. So thank God he's not on the live stream today. I don't see it, but that's okay. I'm looking to see proof of how much each job goes towards the DHIP program. But I definitely, if you are a believer in what Dynex is doing, I would take your wrapped Dynex and go on to the DHIP and actually like stake some of it, because you are actually earning like 7 or 8% APR on it right now, which is pretty massive. Okay, that's all right. Let's continue. There's 41 concurrent viewers right now, so I should take this moment to reset the room and inform all of you guys that we go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. Specifically right now, we have been talking about the massive week that DeSci is going through right now, in which we have 4 pre-sales that are going on. The Zaya one hasn't been announced yet. Aleda just is closing up either today or finishing up in the next couple hours. Hydra just closed theirs out. They raised 4 million, and Erectus just opened theirs up, and they are trying to raise a minimum of 1.5 million, maximum 3 million. Erectus is the most connected DAO I've seen to the bio ecosystem. So they've so far raised, get out of here. They've so far raised 639,000, so they're just about halfway to the minimum threshold for it. I went over all of the different people associated with this DAO. Again, I'm going to try and do a post today to showcase how many people from the bio ecosystem are getting involved. It is not a product of bio protocol. However, the amount of people from Hair DAO, we got Andrew here from Hair DAO, we have someone from Valley DAO, we have someone from Vita DAO, we have someone from Athena DAO, we have someone from Cryo DAO. It's like all of the DAOs are getting involved with their own members, independent, but still powerful. That those founders are powerful. No, please don't let the presale happen. Yes, Erectus screwed over early investors. That's not true, Martin. But explain, how did they screw over early investors, Martin? So have you left being ICP boy? There were days when ICP was topic for stream. I know, I did not leave ICP boy. My ICP is the only large cap coin I hold in the portfolio challenge. Right here. Average cost, $4. I have not left ICP's ecosystem at all. I'm an advisor for KongSwap. KongSwap is like my go-to for anyone who wants to trade any kind of ICP coins. It's just there's so much happening in decentralized science right now that it only makes sense to cover as much of it as I possibly can. Right? But KongSwap, like we go over to Pro. KongSwap is golden. This is like, if you want exposure to ICP, you have to go through KongSwap, in my opinion. The token's been going crazy. Still only a $50 million market cap though, compared to ICP chilling up way higher than 50 million. I have a large bag in KongSwap. It is a really good one. Yeah, it was just the topic today was the DeSci explosion, because on top of all of those pre-sales that we talked about, we have bio bridging over to Solana to get even more liquidity in the door for decentralized science. Bio being the project that just launched, which literally doubled the market cap. They said they closed it. It would have been a $400,000 market cap at launch. Now it'll be at 1.5 to 3. Yeah, they did close that round. 1.5 to 3 has been the goal for Erectus the whole time. They didn't hit it. They only got 400,000, so they needed to open up another raise. And to make sure that they didn't screw everyone over, they increased the valuation by 25% by reducing the amount of tokens people get by 25%. So every dollar that gets raised in this current round that they're doing is like benchmarking you at a 25% gain compared to what it would have been if they had just gone live. So I understand it's annoying that they opened up another raise, but they needed to get more money in the door to fund the experiments that they're doing. So they tried to make it smoother, but I get what you're saying, but I wouldn't say they screwed it over. YouTube would like me to insert an ad right now. They said that right now, if I inserted an ad, I could earn 20% more money on this video. However, what do you guys think? Should I insert an ad? Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should hit you guys with a midstream ad right now. We got 51 concurrent live stream viewers. D stands for decentralized. Any update on Josh and Zaya? No, Josh did not call me back, but Zaya did just get $20 million in fundraising, and they're going to be doing the pre-sale soon. Insert ad. 1 for ad. Ping says, shut up, no ad. Mods, I'm getting bullied on my own stream. Do it. More money for charity. 1. We got a 2. I got that premium, chief. Sheet. All right. Everyone apparently wants an ad. Insert ad. Okay. Everyone who's not watching the ad currently right now, you guys are the elite crew. Everyone who's got premium right now is elite. So you're not listening to some random ad. That's funny as hell that you guys literally asked for an ad. Your time is your most valuable asset. I'm not ending the stream yet. I'll even click on it. Bullish. Let's go. All right, everyone who just sat through that ad. Now it's time to talk about some information on Agent Bill here. I am not going to be leaking what it is exactly. However, I will tell you all right now that the negotiations that we have been in for the better part of like 3 weeks at this point to get Bill's training expedited and to get it more advanced. Again, if you guys are just coming back from the ad was his promo for Bill. Are we meant to see an ad? I told it to insert the ad. Do I do another one? Oh. Just inserted another ad. You didn't see the ad. What the hell? I just inserted another ad for anyone who's not on premium. Oh, God. That's funny. Everyone's a premium user. No, except a bunch of people didn't get it, but I just hit them with another ad. Whoa, MJ. No, you did not. But you do have the Diddy membership, so you can talk about it, I guess, if you want to. But I gotta wait a second again to get everyone back before I drop that information on Bill. I'm just getting all the non-loyalists out of here. More ads! More ads! Oh my God. Time is your most valuable asset. Wham! Get an ad. Do a third ad. No. That's so... All right, we'll put it to poll. Do I do another ad? Start a poll. Third ad before Bill Alpha. I got anxiety when you said... I know, I thought you might. I thought you might. Mods, take Patrick's ad button away. This is the first time I've done it. Please, one more ad. Tomorrow, just do 1 hour ad live stream. Oh my God, you guys are ridiculous. It is true though. The revenue I get from the YouTube channel is going to charities to help fight future Diddies. Help anyone who's been displaced or severely impacted by the stuff that Diddy's done. We're trying to help these people. So you guys are going towards a good person. Ad or I'm leaving. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. End the poll. Literally everyone said hit you with another ad. So we're going to hit you with another ad. What is wrong with you guys? What a man. Help the vulnerable. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. I want everyone to win as best we can. 1 Josh Jake appearance and Buddy is dropping 3 ads this stream. You guys voted for this. You guys voted for the ads. I wasn't even going to do the first one. Everyone's just leaving. We've lost like 16 viewers since we started the ads. Okay, all right. Whew. Focus. Everyone's coming back in. Derek, why did you delete your own message? Ad DAO. Just hit you with ads constantly. Did you guys see that MetaMask was giving people the option to watch a 7-minute ad instead of pay for gas fees? I don't know if I would do that, but I got a feeling we need 1 more ad. Wait, can we trigger ads? Yeah, you guys just tell me whenever you want me to hit an ad and I'll hit an ad. But as you guys know, we are trying to get Bill to be trained across everything happening in decentralized science. That includes the DAO proposals that are going on. For example, the one that just happened with VitaDAO. VitaDAO just did a proposal to mint 1 million new tokens for VitaFast, I believe, right? No, Vita RNA, sorry, excuse me. Vita RNA being the IP token which they've created a biotech company around, right? They funded research, it was successful, and so they created the tokenized intellectual property behind that research and then made a biotech company around advancing that token, the Vita RNA. They just did a proposal to raise $1 million by issuing new tokens in order to fund future research with this and advance it even further. Now, I want Bill to be able to see this explicitly and not have to be prompted to see this. No, I don't want to join the Telegram. I actually just wanted to go see the proposal. I want Bill to be able to go see these proposals on his own so that he can actually make the content and inform everyone about it before like it's posted, right? As soon as the proposal goes live, I want him knowing. That takes a lot of resources. It takes a lot of compute power. It takes a lot of training models. They posted it 1 minute ago. And so and then I want him to be able to talk about it. I want him to know that Erectus just opened up their pre-sale again, right? And that people can get back in. I want him to be able to talk about this stuff organically, which requires a lot of training and a lot of information that is out on the market, that is out public knowledge, right? But is hard to come across and requires you to be in tune 24/7. Bill's supposed to be that for everyone. And so his model is going to be getting an upgrade soon. And we just got, after 3-4 weeks of negotiations, we just got the contract to sign to get the partnership going. And I am not going to be sharing who it is right now. However, you guys, it's going to break the internet when this is announced. It's going to break the internet. It's going to break decentralized science as well. This is going to be potentially the most powerful agent the world has ever seen. And so I'm very excited for it. Expect a lot of announcements to be coming from Bill himself in the coming days, this week through potentially this weekend. I'm going to be dropping as much information as we can. I'm going to be teasing as much information as I can. So make sure that you're paying close attention because like I said, I don't think anyone in the world is ready for what is going to be announced for Bill. So I'm extremely excited for this to happen. And honestly, it's coming at a really good time too, right? We just saw Bill's token. I know as a founder, I'm not necessarily supposed to talk about token price, but as that investor, I can talk about it. So Bill went up 420% and has now gone through the 50% correction, the 60% correction from the peak, which is good, right? That's good. That's distribution. We have 950 holders now. We're almost at 1,000 token holders for Bill. And so this getting closer and closer to 1,000, we need the distribution to take place, right? If you go look at most projects, you don't have people holding 3, 5, 6% of the supply, right? And so we need, honestly, people to be getting out so that other people have tokens to purchase. Otherwise, it's just going to be a straight line up. And you guys know whenever a straight line up happens, a straight line down happens right after it. So the slow grind is allowing for more people to find out about it. Every single thing that's happened for Bill so far has purely been by word of mouth. Word of mouth only. It has not been any paid marketing aside from paying like $600 to get trending on Dex Screener, because every time you want to be trending on Dex Screener, it costs anywhere from $150 to $1,000. Yes, you heard me right. Anytime, like if you go to Dex Screener and you see all the trending, this is not because everyone's talking about it. This is because whoever's in charge of this project, to get 9,000 little lightning bolts, had to pay almost $1,000. So it's like low key, the trending list is like which coin is about to rug. Like I bet if we were to sit here and watch versus AI, it would probably rug here in by the end of the live stream. I would be willing to say if they are paying $1,000 to get trending, they're probably going to be rugging it pretty soon. It's kind of funny to see actually, but we've paid for a few trending for Bill. We're not going to rug Bill, but we just want people to pay attention to him and see what's going on with him. That's the only paid advertising, if you want, paid marketing that's happened for it. But with this announcement is when the marketing is going to initiate. And the announcements we have planned from now until March, we already have the whole thing played out in our heads. Now it's just time to start executing on it. I am wildly excited for you guys to see what comes from this. And as you know, all of the members, all of the Diamond members for Bill will get the information before everyone else. As one of the perks for being in the Diamond membership, it's going to be pretty cool seeing it all take place. If you guys want to be in the Diamond membership club on Telegram, you need to come get your Bill Nye tokens, go here, click the Diamond membership button, lock up any amount. I don't care if it's 1 token or 100,000 tokens. Lock up whatever you want. It's a 14-day cooldown, so you lock them up, and then when you click unlock, you wait 14 days before you get it. Send me a screenshot on Telegram of what tokens you've locked up, right? I need proof that you locked them up, and I will send you back the invite into the Diamond members chat. As soon as I end this live stream, that's what I'm going to be doing. I will be going through my DMs and including everyone into the Diamond chat, so you'll get the information before we make the real announcements with everything. But yeah, I'm very excited. I got the DM with the contract this morning, so going to be having my lawyer review it and then be signing it, and then we're on our way to make Bill the most advanced AI agent the world has ever seen. Let's go. Babar asked me a question, but I didn't see it. Sorry, I hope you're still here. Can you talk about DeSci and SUI ecosystem and where to buy SUI tokens? I think SUI coins will explode sooner or later. It'd be wise to get into them, don't you think? Very much so. I, in fact, am exposed to it. I don't own the actual SUI token. I own the Ethereum bridge of the token, but SUI DeSci agents looks like a really good project. It's an $8 million market cap right now. I put like $2,000 in it or something, but I put it in when I first found it. So I think it was right here I bought. Yeah, it looks like a really good project. A launch pad for DeSci agents is a smart endeavor, as DeSci agents obviously are going to explode. Is Diamond membership or Diddy Party more exclusive? Damn it, Steven. Mods. By definition, I think we only have 2 Diddy members in the chat, which means that is more exclusive than the Diamond members chat. But the value is way higher in the Diamond members than the Diddy chat. What color mailbox does Mr. Worldwide have these days? I don't know what that means. What's the expectation for Noble? Oh my god, you guys. Selling Noble for Bill. No, Beagle. Mods! Dang it, I don't have enough Bill. Let's go. No one has enough Bill. Not financial advice. Get oiled up. Mods! Ping teeth. That is wildly inappropriate. Good, you will finally see my DM. Who said that? Does anyone see whose username is attached to that comment? How do you get the Diamond members? Here, I'll put this Telegram. If you join this Telegram and then do /lock as a command, you'll see a step-by-step instruction on how to get into it. You basically, like I said, go here, go to creator bid, click on Bill's agent card, click on Diamond members, lock up your tokens, and connect them. Connect and send DM me a screenshot. I'll put my Telegram handle in here as well. If I get any annoying, well, I'm just that investor on Telegram. If I get any random sponsorship promotions or random nonsense messages, I'm going to be really sad. Who? I can't see. I know, I can't see it. Oh well. All right. Yeah. Get ready. DeSci is cruising, guys. 3 billion. We're on our way to the $200 billion market cap that I am patiently waiting to do my victory laps online about. And a gentle reminder for everyone, decentralized finance is a way to fund science. Real-world assets are a way to tokenize intellectual property. NFTs are a way to trade drugs. AI is a way to enhance the research. Decentralized physical infrastructure is a way to collect research data. Zero knowledge proofs are a way to harness medical data, and memes are a way to explain the science. All roads lead to decentralized science. Your time is your most valuable asset. Hopefully this was worth investing it into. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here, and stay tuned. Stay tuned for the announcements. We're going to have a fun 2025. All right, guys. Peace out.